Today, we're stepping into a shocking courtroom moment, a defendant facing up to 20 years behind bars, but the court delivers a surprising twist through a plea deal. Watch how one decision and some legal moves completely change the course of this case.
Cases involving Ronald Lee Tyler. Is that you, sir?
Yes.
Present. Mr. Gertz, your attorney and the state's attorney. Our plan is he's going to be pleading to 2 and 1 to be dismissed. Which one to be dismissed?
The one ending in 4-5, Judge.
Okay, 38245 to be dismissed. So the defendant will be pleading to 2 cases, which are called 21-38243 and 38244. Does the defendant waive formal readings of these indictments and arraignments? Can we proceed in summary?
He will and we can, Judge.
In summary, sir, each of these indictments similarly allege that on or about August 19th, 2018 in Jefferson County, Texas, you committed the second-degree felony in each case of indecency with a involving 2 different. Do you understand what you are charged with here, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Each of these cases are second-degree felonies. Can't get into the box in this program.
You make me crazy, Judge. Every time I touch the sides or something, stuff's popping up. And
Each of these cases, sir, are second-degree felonies, which mean in each case, you face a term of not more than 20 years or less than 2 years in prison. In addition, a fine may be assessed not to exceed $10,000. Do you understand?
yes, Your Honor.
I just wrote my name and then it erased immediately. So, an agreement has been reached in these cases where whatever punishment shall not exceed a cap of 10 years imprisonment. This is for each case.
Yes, Judge.
And are these sentenced to run concurrently as part of the?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me have them. And cause number 38245 will be dismissed as a part of this agreement. And also for 21-38244, in that case, a similar agreement has been reached by the parties where you would be pleading guilty. Whatever sentence shall not exceed a cap of 10 years imprisonment, which will run concurrently with the other case you were pleading guilty to. And those will be accomplished at the same time. What we're going to end up doing is accepting your pleas today and then postponing sentencing until a pre-sentence report is prepared from the probation office. We will all return back, add any additional information necessary, and then the court will make its decision on the sentence. Do you understand the plan?
Yes, Your Honor.
If I follow this agreement, sir, you have no right of appeal of your case in each case situation. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
How do you plead in each of these cases to these indictments in 38243 and 38244, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Are you pleading guilty voluntarily? That is on your own free will and because you are guilty.
Yes, Your Honor.
We show you here in each case what's marked as State's Exhibit 1. Did you sign those documents voluntarily?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understand them, discuss them with your attorney, or the contents alter and correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
State's Exhibit 1 is tendered into evidence in each case.
We have no objection, Judge.
Without objection, it will be admitted. Among other things, this states you are mentally competent to enter your guilty plea in each case. It's freely and voluntarily made in each case. You understand and appreciate the consequences of pleading guilty. There's sufficient there is sufficient evidence here supporting your guilty plea from State's Exhibit 1 admitted here to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you are giving up your rights to a jury trial and the rights to the appearance, confrontation, cross-examination of witnesses. And you are totally satisfied with the representation provided by your attorney in each of these cases. And this says this is all true. So help you God.
Yes, Your Honor.
State's Exhibit 1 will be made a part of the record in each case without objection.
No objection.
All right, what we're going to do is order a pre-sentence report in these cases, and we will return back. After that is accomplished, we will return back. When is our next setting?
You can do either January 29th or the 30th. The Thursday or Friday.
We should probably do Friday. I'm going to be in a capital trial in Houston.
All right, Friday.
So Friday's fine.
What's
I'll
the
let you
date
know if
again?
that goes long. It should be, but
We can always move it if need be.
thank you.
So, do you understand in each of these cases, sir, you are looking, here are your options. You could be sentenced to prison for a term of no less than 2, no more than 10 years confinement. You could be placed on deferred or unadjudicated probation in each case, where you are not found guilty and placed on a form of probation. And then I think regular probation is not an option in these cases by law. Isn't that be understanding? So those are your only two options here, and your attorney will be able to discuss with you the ramifications of each of those. And so also you will have to register as a offender. I don't think that has to be done today. It's when you
It can be done.
it's when you are sentenced,
And the judge
but
have
that
discussed
has consequences to it
Yes, sir.
that your attorney has gone over with you. When we go over that at the time of sentencing, there will be a document, and I'm going to review with you what the consequences are and what your requirements are for registering regularly. Failing to register properly under the law can result in a criminal act that you could be prosecuted for. So those are some consequences and requirements and responsibilities that you're going to have to deal with because of this matter. All right, we've reset it until what day?
Tentatively January 30th.
Okay, January 3rd, 26. Try to get used to that. Also on that day, if all of this is done, the court will sentence you, and then this other case 38245 will be dismissed as part of this agreement. Anything else?
No, Judge.
That is all. Thank you for your assess on this. Anything else? That is all.
Today, we're stepping into a shocking courtroom moment, a defendant facing up to 20 years behind bars, but the court delivers a surprising twist through a plea deal. Watch how one decision and some legal moves completely change the course of this case.